Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th. Third chapter, HCF and LCM, Part 3. Today we will see the HCF or GCF. Now, the full form of HCF is highest common factor, or the full form of GCF is greatest common factor. So, today we will study how to find out the highest common factor, that is HCF. Now, while finding the HCF, you have to keep certain points in your mind. That is, the HCF of given number is their greatest common divisor or factor. So, means you have to find out the HCF. In HCF, whichever common factor is the bigger one, that will be your HCF. Clear? Then next point you have to keep in mind that if one of the given number is a divisor of all the other, then it is the HCF of the given number. Clear, student? Then the third point you have to keep in mind is, if no prime number is a common divisor of all the given number, then 1 is their HCF because it is the only common divisor. It means that if there is no common factor between the given number, so there your HCF will be 1 because it is the only common divisor. Clear, student? So you have to keep this point in your mind while finding the HCF. Now something more you have to keep in your mind while finding the HCF, that is, the HCF of any two consecutive even number is 2. Clear? Even number means the number which is divisible by 2. And the HCF of any two consecutive odd number is 1. Odd number means the number which is not divisible by 2. Clear, student? So you will get the HCF of two even number as 2 and the HCF of two odd number will be 1. Now let's see the example of HCF. What will be the HCF of two consecutive even number? Now let's see what will be the HCF of two consecutive even number. Now here I have taken the even number. See, 2 and 4, 10 and 12, 96 and 98. These all are your even number. So see what is the common factor in all the numbers. 2 is the common. Clear, student? Now next example, 5, 7, 25 and 27, 33 and 35. These all are your odd number. Understood? So what is the HCF for your odd number? That is 1. Now let's see practice set 12. Question number 1, find the HCF. Now student, here we have to find out the HCF of 25 and 40. So how you will going to find out the HCF of 25 and 40? By doing the factorization. But here we have to do the factorization of 25 and 40 together. In the previous class what you have done? You have done the individual factorization. But here we have to do the factorization together. So see how you will do. So here we will write down, that is 25 and 40 together. Clear? Now let's see, 25 and 40 is divisible by which number? Can you tell me 25 and 40 is together divisible by which number? Now 25 and 40 is together divisible by 5. That is 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. Clear, student? Now 5 and 8 is our remainder. Clear? After dividing 25 and 40 with 5, our remainder is 5 and 8. So is 5 and 8 is divisible by any of the number together? No. So our remainder is 5 and 8. So how you will going to find out the HCF? So what will be your HCF? So here your HCF will be, for finding the HCF, what we are taking? We are taking the common factor. So the number which is on the left hand side, this number will be your, the number which appears on the left hand side will be your common factor. Clear? This number is your common factor. Clear, student? And this, the remainder is your what? uncommon factor. Clear? So here we will take, for finding the HCF, we will take our common factor. So our common factor is 5. So our HCF is 5. Clear, student? Now let's see the next one, that is we have to find out the HCF of 40, 60 and 75. So again we will do the factorization together. 40, 60 and 75. Clear? We have to do the factorization of all the numbers together. Clear? Now tell me, 40, 60 and 75 is divisible by which number? By which number you can divide 40, 60 and 75 together? Clear? So which number? That is 5. Clear? 5 is 40, 60 and 75 is divisible by 5. That is 5 8s are 40. Clear? Then 5 1s are 5, 1 carry with 0, it will become 10, 5 2s are 10. Clear? Then that is 5 1s are 5, 7 minus 5, what you will get? 2, that is 5 5s are 25. Now can you tell me 8, 12 and 15 is divisible by which number? Together. Now 8, 12 and 15 is not divisible by any of the number. Clear? You will not get your common factor between 8, 12 and 5. So no need to divide this. So here your HCF will be 5. Why? Because we have to take only our common factor. So here our HCF is 5. Clear, student? Like this you have to find out the HCF by doing the factorization of all the numbers together. Now let's see how you will going to find out the HCF of 777, 315 and 588. So let's see how you will going to find out that. So first we will write down, that is 777, then 315, then 588. Now all the three numbers are divisible by which number? Can you tell me? Yes, it is divisible by 3. How you will going to find out that the number is divisible by 3? You have to add all this number. Clear? After adding this number, you have to see whether that sum is there in your 3's table or not. Clear? If it is there, then the number is divisible by 3. Clear, everyone? Now see here, 7 plus 7 plus 7, what you will get over here? 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7, what you will get? You will get, that is 21. So is 21 is there in 3's table? Yes. So 777 is divisible by 3. 3, 1 and 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So is 9 is there in your 3's table? Yes. So the 315 is divisible by 3. 588. Again 5 plus 8 plus 8. What you will get? So again here you will get, that is 21. So again that 21 is there in your 3's table. So 588 is divisible by 3. Clear, students? So now let us divide this number with 3. So 3 here 7 is there. So 3 2s you will get, that is 6. 1 you will carry. Clear? So 3 5s you will get 15. 2 you will carry with 7, it will become 27. So 3 9s you will get 27. Now here you will get 3 1s are 3, 3 0s are 0. This one you will carry with 5, it will become 15. So 3 5s are 15. Clear? Then 3 1s are 3. 5 minus 3 you will get 2. 2 you will carry with 8, it will become 28. So 3 9s are 27. 28 minus 27, 1 will be your remainder. Clear? 1 you will carry with this 8, it will become 18. So 3 6 is 18. Clear? Now 259, 105 and 196 is divisible by which number? So it is divisible by 7. Clear, everyone? That is 7 3s you will get, that is 21. 4 you will carry with 9, it will become 49. So 7 7s you will get 49. Then 7 1s you will get 7. 10 minus 7, your remainder is 3. 3 you have to carry with 5. It will become 35. So 7 5s are. You will get 35. Then 7 2s are. You will get 14. 19 minus 14. What you will get? 5. You will carry that 5 with 6. So it will become 56. So 7 8s are. You will get 56. Now 37, 15 and 28 is not divisible by any of the number. Clear? So we will not divide it. Your HCF will be, therefore your HCF will be, now we have to take this common factor, that is 3 into 7. So 3 7s are, you will get, that is 21. So your HCF is 21. Clear, student? Thank you.